Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play touch football on Roblox Mobile. First, let's cover the basics. You'll use the on-screen joystick for movement, allowing you to run in any direction. Tapping specific buttons will let you pass the ball, tackle opponents, or jump. Familiarizing yourself with these core controls is your first step to becoming a gridiron star. Practice these actions in a few quick rounds to get a feel for the game's flow. Now, let's talk offense. When you have the ball, look for open receivers downfield. A well-timed pass can lead to a touchdown. Use your juke and spin moves to dodge defenders. These are crucial for gaining extra yards. Remember, teamwork is key. Communicate with your teammates to set up plays and create clear paths to the end zone. Aim for at least 3 successful passes per drive. Switching to defense, your goal is to stop the other team from scoring. Position yourself to intercept passes by anticipating the opponent's throws. When an opponent is close, execute a timely tackle to bring them down. Coordinate with your defensive line to cover different zones and pressure the quarterback, forcing them into bad throws. A strong defense can turn the tide of any game. To truly excel, practice advanced routes and plays. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your team. Effective communication is vital. Call out plays or alert teammates to open players. Observe your opponents and adapt your strategy accordingly. With consistent practice and strong teamwork, you'll be dominating the touch football field in no time, scoring many touchdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.